In the previous video, we talked about lens materials and methods of production and why we are choosing CVD lenses, like the leading manufacturers in the USA. Today, you are going to learn about the lens diameters, how their shape affects the result, and how to find the right focal distance. And at the end, you will get a checklist, how to choose an ideal lens. Lens diameter. The lens diameter is indicated in the name by the letter D and depends on the type of laser head installed on your laser machine. The most common diameters are 18, 20, and 25 millimeters. Lenses with larger diameters are used in machines with a larger working area for two reasons. The larger the working area of the laser machine, the more the laser beam disperses as it travels from the laser tube to the focusing lens. As a result, on larger machines, the beam reaches the lens as a wider dot, which is why the lens needs to have a larger diameter. Machines with a larger working area are typically equipped with more powerful tubes. The larger the lens diameter, the more heat it can withstand. That's why the lens for a 1610 machine with a 120 tube will have a diameter 20. However, on a 0503 machine with a 60 watt tube, such large diameters are unnecessary. Why would you need a lightsaber to cut an apple? Cool? Sure, but expensive and completely impractical. Wattsan operates on the principle of adequacy. Now, to the form. Lens form. Lenses come in different shapes, such as piano convex and meniscus. However, when working with standard CO2 machines, we won't notice the difference. To perceive it, you would need to use an expander, like in laser markers. So in this case, only one thing matters. Insert the purchased lens with a convex side facing the laser. Focal distance. The focal length affects the dot diameter and focal depth. It is indicated by the letter F in the name. And based on this parameter, lenses are conventionally divided into three types: short focus, medium focus, long focus. When the laser beam passes through the lens, it converges to a single point. It focuses. At this point, the beam reaches its smallest diameter on a focal dot, after which the laser starts to diverge again. A critical parameter here is the caustic zoom, the length of the section along the beam's axis, while the beam diameter remains close to its minimum value. The longer the focal length, the larger the zoom becomes. This is why a long focus lens allows for cutting greater thicknesses without a noticeable slope on the edge of the workpiece, and also influences the maximum effective cutting thickness. Additionally, a long focus lens gets significantly less contaminated during operation because it is much farther from the surface of the material. A short focus lens has a smaller focus dot diameter, so it's possible to make more detailed images in high resolution with it. Though cutting is available only for thin materials up to 3 to 5 millimeters in thickness, with enough power and good air blow, you may cut thicker workpieces. However, the edge is going to be burnt and sloped. That's why short focus lenses are considered to be the right ones for engravings. These ones are installed on our tabletop engravers, Wattsan 0503 and Wattsan 6040. In the basic configuration, medium focus lenses are universal since they go for both engraving and cutting of materials up to 12 to 19.5 mm. You may find them on the majority of our machines. How to choose a lens? Your checklist for this task. Verify this material. Zinc selenide is preferred. Look at the production method. CVD lenses are long-living, work with high powers, and have a better focusing results than PVD ones. Diameter should match with the diameter of the cone. Focus: short focus for engraving, long focus for cutting, and medium focus is universal. Phone doesn't really play that big of role for CO2 laser machine. It's important to install them with the convex side facing the laser. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. All of the links are in the description below. Give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification so you won't miss the next video. This is Wattsan. See you!